Okay, let's focus on this. Learning task 1. Our first lesson is all about divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 to find the common factors of numbers. Ang ibig sabihin nito, paano natin malalaman kung yung number ay pwede siyang i-divide by 2, by 5, and 10 na walang matitirang remainder. Kahit gaano pa kalaki yung number, na sa isang tingin mo lang ay alam mo na kung divisible ba siya by 2, by 5, or by 10. So in learning task 1, this is only a sort of review about the multiples of the given numbers. Kapag sinabing multiples, ang hahanapin mo yung mga product. Parang ano lang yan, multiplication table. So titingnan nyo yung number 1, 2 ang simula. Ano ang mga susunod if it is by 2's? Example, number 1. Number 1, diba? Number is 2. Ang susunod sa 2, diba? Table of 2, 4. Then 6. Then 8. So, yan ang magiging sagot. Yan ang magiging sagot sa number 1. Gets nyo? Yan ang learning task 1. Learning task 1. In learning task 2, the direction is answer the following questions with yes or no. Write your answer in your notebook. Okay. This is an activity in which you are tested if you have already the knowledge about the subject to be taken up. Ito'y pagsubok lang kung masasagot mo na ba siya nang hindi pa agad-agad pinapaliwanag ni teacher. Ayon doon sa unang task natin, may kaugnay pa rin yan sa multiple of a number. Kasi ang division at multiplication ay reciprocal magkabaligtaran lang yan sila Kung halimbawa pwede mo siyang i-times by 2, ang sagot ay pwede mong i-divide by 2. Yun. So, i-try nyo sagutin to. Na-sense nyo pa lang kung tama ba o mali. Sasagutin nyo lang ng yes or no. Say for example, in number 1, is 238 divisible by 2? Kapag dinivide mo ba siya by 2, ay sakto kaya ang magiging sagot niya? Yes or no? Number 2, ganun din. Is 660 divisible by 5? Sa palagay mo kaya? Okay. Number 3, is 530 divisible by 10? Let's find out if it is yes or no. Number 4, is 250 divisible by 5? Sa palagay mo? And number 5, is 100 divisible by 10? Then how did you come up with your answer? Paano mo nalaman na ganon? Paano mo nasabing yes ang number 1? Paano mo nasabing yes ang number 2? Paano mo nasabing yes or no ang sagot ng bawat number? Pagsubok, kung yan ba'y alam mo na. Nasagot mo na ang learning task 2. Ngayon ating titingnan kung tama ang iyong mga sagot. Let's proceed to letter D. Can you tell a number when divided by another number has an exact quotient and no remainder? Anyway, what is a quotient? So the quotient is the number that refers to an answer in division. Yun yung quotient. There is a rule that helps to find out whether a number is divisible or not. In Tagalog, kapag sinabi mong divisible, uulitin ko, pag dinivide mo siya sa number na yon, walang matitira. No remainder. Yun ang tinatawag natin, divisible. Divisibility rules tells whether a number is exactly divisible by other numbers. This rule is a shortcut way to decide whether it is exactly divisible without doing division computation. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na kapag sa isang tingin mo lang, alam mo na ang number kung divisible ba siya to another number, na hindi ka na mag-compute ng mahaba, hindi ka na mag-process. It's only in the mind, mentally or mental computation. Isang tingin mo lang. So, gaano kabilis or gaano kadali? Tingnan mo yung divisible by 2. Naka-highlight siya. Ayan. Yun. Example, 456. So, yung number, 456. Ang sabi dito, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is divisible by 2. Lahat ng number na nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ay divisible yan by 2. Walang remainder yan pag dinivide mo. So, pag titingnan mo, asan ang end? Yung dulo. Yan. Yung 6. Ayan o. Yung 6. Ang 6 ba ay kasali sa rule? Sa divisibility by 2? Or divisible by 2? So, yun ang 6. So, ibig sabihin yung 456 ay divisible by 2. Lahat ng number na nagtatapos dyan, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, yan ay pwedeng i-divide sa 2 na walang remainder. Kahit pa milyones yan, even millions, 10 millions na numbers. Isang tingin lang, divisible by 2 yan kapag meron siyang ending ng ganitong number. Yan, maliwanag yan ha. Lalo naman ang 5, kung gaano kadali. Ang binigay na example, 425. If the number ends with 5 and 0, it is divisible by 5. Titingnan mo lang yung dulo kung 0 ba or 5. Instant yan, divisible by 5. Maganon yan kadali. Divisible by 10. So, lahat ng number na nagtatapos sa 0 at saka 10 ay divisible by 10. 10 yan. Mali ang, tingnan mo, mali ang module. Pakitama nyo nga. Mali lang yung pagkakatype niyan. Yan. Pakitama. Lahat ng number nagtatapos sa 0 and 10, it is divisible by 10. Okay? So, ang first lesson natin ay divisible by 2, by 5, and by 10. So, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung mga examples yan. Okay? So, para makasagot kayo sa next lesson dun sa kabila. Next time.